Hi, pretty Jordan. Good morning. You say hi, Mama? Yeah. I want to see Jordan smile. She's so pretty. There, she smiles. Let me see some more. Yeah. So beautiful. Yes, you are. Say hi to Grandma. Hi, Grandma. I'm going to send this to her. Smell pretty for her. Where's your smile, Jordan? I don't see it. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, bless you. You silly girl. You silly girl. So pretty. Yes, you are. You having a good morning? Yes, you are. Sweetie patootie. Where's Jordan's smiles? Where's your smiles? Where are they? I can't see her smile. What's happening? I'm just staring at the camera. What is that? Is it the camera? Is it taking Jordan's picture? Yes, it is. Uh-huh. You're probably waiting for the flash, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you tell me all about it.
That's a very good point, me, huh?
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jordan.